Hey guys, it's Nathan with Bark Life. What is up? We get to take you along on our trip to Florida. We got to go bass fishing where I caught my personal best bass, ended up running into some alligators. We went to West Palm Beach, tried to do some snorkeling in a windstorm. We even tried a little bit of fishing. Then we went to Kissimmee, Florida, Old Town. We got invited to a car show there. Was an absolute blast. Got to check out a lot of the local cars, the old classics, that sort of thing. Absolutely amazing. And then our last day at Florida, we ended up going to Hollywood Studio. We ended up in a flash flood. So stay tuned and we'll drag you along for the ride. Disney is completely flooded. So yeah, guys, the first thing we did was we went bass fishing. This has been a lifelong dream of mine. Absolutely watch all the videos on YouTube of guys doing their fishing thing there. Always wanted to do this. So Taylor and I, first thing we do is we set out and we started bass fishing. We tried a bunch of different locations. Ended up seeing some alligators. Just great time. Got to catch a massive bass. Well, massive by my standards. Just an absolute experience. We'll take you along, show you the different places we went. Sunrise. Wow. I'm not seeing a single bass. We've seen them surface, but I haven't actually seen them.
There was just like a beginner's walking road.
Oh, hey, what's up? There's a fish on that. I was wondering. All right, let me give it a whirl, see if I can get him to bite. You can cast again too, I don't care. Yeah, he wants it. If it wasn't spawning season, throw it. You're not gonna cross me. Oh gosh, that's perfect. You crossed me. I'll just get out of there. Oh, did he just bite? I think he just bit it.
I think I maybe called.
These aggressive males want threats. Not food. They're not looking to eat right now. It's too freaking hot already. But it's cool with bass. You can maneuver, so it's not just all about eat. There's a bunch of little bass. I need to loosen my bobbaloo here. Set for that other lure. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I got it tangled. What? Nope, that's how it works. Super tight. Oh, dude, he had it. See him?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, watch. So I bring it onto the bed. See him? Hit it?
Yeah.
He literally stopped it. See him?
Wow. Come on. Oh, nice. There we go.
Finally. He's like, dude, I knew that was a hook. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Little buddy, you were a brave soldier. He's like,
man, you got him good.
okay, we got him. Thanks, buddy. Go back to your home. The good little buddy. Okay, let's not manhandle him. Okay, there you go. He's huge. Oh. Let's not launch with a fishing pole. Launch him right under his bed. Good little buddy. Finally got him.
I start to believe they're just all fish stories.
You saw pictures. Nice job.
Some whales there.
Yep.
Hold on.
You got him. He just gave up. Nice job. Skinny Tom, but hey. Nice job.
Not too bad.
No, not bad. Little male guarding his nest. What's up? Oh. Oh.
So this one, I cast it way out, and I just started reeling in, and he jumped, got it.
Nice.
Sit there. Mm.
Nice little fella. He's fat for how little he is.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is again. Same spot. It's like right there. Another private spot. So what the heck are these things? They keep popping up everywhere, like all over the place. Are those like those Asian carp or something? Somebody's got to know.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's not.
Decide to start going.
Yeah. It's got to be the Asian carp thing. What are they, guys? Let's go! First bass. What is up? There's no way to describe how big it is. But yeah, that was just a lucky experience, guys. That bass was amazing. So you'll have to check it out if you get down to Florida, do some fishing in those little tiny ponds. It looks like it's not much, but man, there's some big fish in there. So yeah, West Palm, we decided to go there and do a kind of a beach day. We went and got the snorkel masks, did the whole bit. We were hoping to go and check out some fish and, you know, local wildlife. I've had reef tanks my entire life. I've been doing saltwaters, that sort of thing. So we were just super excited to actually be able to go and snorkel with the fish. We've been to Florida before, but this was our first opportunity to actually get out on the water. It ended up being a crazy windstorm. We gave it a go anyways, to no avail. We ended up doing some body surfing at the end. Had an absolute blast with that, but yeah, the surf was just too high, too sandy. We'll show you the little bit of a clip we have for that. And then we went and did some fishing off of a little, off a little jetty we found off some rocks. You'll see the waves and how crazy it was. But yeah, check it out. One of my favorite things about going to Florida, and we do this every time, is check out the local flea markets. They're a blast. It's people from all over the world. It's stuff from all over the world. Tons of junk, tons of cool stuff. Our daughter got to get her hair done. Just absolute blast. So we did that whole bit. Just fun. Best part about Florida. Endless food. Kids already got theirs. Endless. Huh?
Super speaker.
I know, right?
Speaker, yeah.
Yeah. Elise is about to get her hair done.
So excited, Dad. Oh, but there's still
So yeah, those car show we went to, my wife and nieces and sister were sitting there while all of us guys went to another store. They were just kind of sitting in the food court, and this gentleman walked up, you know, hey, there's a car show. You guys got to come check it out. What was his name?
Rafael from Miami.
Rafael from Miami. This is a shout out to you. He invited my wife and told us that, you know, all the guys would like it, so we showed up. You can actually see Rafael in some of the videos line dancing, absolute character. But yeah, we were just sitting there doing our thing. He came up and said, "Why don't you guys come check out the car show?" So we did the next day, and it was the highlight of the entire trip. The culture there, the amount of people. They do this every Friday and Saturday. That's the crazy thing. I think they're getting ready to celebrate like the 32nd year of doing these car shows. So we got invited to a car meet, so we are heading there now. It's supposed to be a bunch of classic cars and all that, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, dude. Pretty cool, baby. Isn't that cool? Triple deuces. Dad's favorite. He's obsessed with that. Huh? Gotta love the smell. Your car? Stunning. Thank you. Absolutely stunning. There's the go-kart track right there, multi-level go-kart track. No, the Celica.
Oh yeah.
That's where the Super started.
Yeah.
That's the marker.
Our friends had wrecked and all had one just almost just like that.
Mark 1. Well, because of the Mark 4, those are becoming super valuable now. biggest headlights I've ever seen.
Oh, we're like.
I like it.
I guess you get one.
I always love these. They weigh 20 trillion pounds, but they're so cool. Old Mach 1s. So yeah, like we said, our last day, we went to Hollywood Studios. Taylor had never been to the Star Wars area, that sort of thing. It's just epic. So we wanted to take him there, show him what it was all about, and then Rise of the Resistance and all those different rides. We'd already done it all, but wanted to take Taylor for that experience. We got to do pretty much all the rides. It was about 6:30 or so. Out of nowhere, it started raining, which it did tell us that it was going to rain, but it was supposed to be a light rain, and it was supposed to be like 1 o'clock, so we figured it just kind of blew around or something. Boy, were we mistaken. We were in line for a roller coaster, and all of a sudden it starts downpouring. And not like it does up here in the north. Like, our downpours equal a little bit of water on the ground. This was about 6 to 8 inches. Down Main Street in Hollywood Studios, the water was actually up over the street and starting to lap onto the sidewalk towards the stores. The restrooms were all flooded. We got a little short clip of that for you, so you can check it out. But yeah, what a crazy experience. Never been in a flash flood. Now we have. It was fun. Disney is completely flooded. It's ankle deep. We're walking in, that's calf deep now. 5-inch flood. Oh, Well, guys, that was our trip to Florida. We had an absolute blast. You can guarantee we'll be going back. Taylor and I are already talking about booking our trip for next year. So we're in love with the Florida culture. We're in love with the car scene down there. And just the fact that Old Town, they do that every single week. And just what an experience. The whole thing was great. People are so friendly. People inviting us to do this and do that, and just good times. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next episode.